The top 5 objects in space that potentially are threatening the Earth. Do you think you are in complete safety being at home? You probably do not know that the gamma-ray flare in deep space is able to reach our planet at the speed of light and to destroy all living things in a few seconds. We are representing you the top 5 objects that potentially are threatening the Earth. Number 5. Asteroid Apophis. This asteroid is potentially the most dangerous object for our planet. The risk of collision with the asteroid was the most probable in the history of astronomy. This probability is still subsisting in 2036, despite the fact that recent studies have excluded this possibility in 2029. If an asteroid falls to Earth, the explosion will happen with the power of 506 megatons. For comparison, the energy was 10 megatons during the fall of the Tunguska meteorite, and the energy of the explosion of the nuclear bomb in Hiroshima, 18 kilotons. In other words, damaging consequences of a collision will not cause the death of all mankind, but will be catastrophic. An earthquake or tsunami will be devastating and will destroy all life within a radius of 300 kilometers. Number 4. The Sun. Experts are very concerned about excessive solar activity in recent years. Most scientists worry about solar storms, which could lead to a global catastrophe. The last time such a phenomenon was in 1859. Then, there was the release of billions of tons of solar material that caused the magnetic storm on Earth. The electrical wires were smoking and sparks were flying from transformer boxes. That solar storm did not cause irreparable damage, since the development of civilization has left much to be desired. It will lead to a complete shutdown of the electric current. Any connection will be interrupted. Planes will stray from their course, and trains will no longer be going in the age of computer technology. At present, the activity of sunlight is close to its maximum. Scientists believe this means that the next storm will happen in the nearest future. Number 3. The 9th planet. It is known today that the previously unknown 9th planet is subsisting in the solar system. Its mass is bigger than the mass of the Earth by 10 times. This mysterious planet X is rotated in its orbit around the Sun and, in a collision with asteroids or comets in the nearest to the Earth point, will send them in our direction. If a large comet or asteroid will change its trajectory and collide with Earth, it can turn into an irreparable disaster. Number 2. Comets. Comets have small size have no effect on the planets of the solar system. However, collision of a huge comet with the planet can cause large-scale consequences. An example of this is a clash of the planet Jupiter with the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 as a result of an explosion with the force of 6 million megatons. For comparison, it is in 750 times more of the nuclear capacity of all countries on our planet. According to astrophysicists, periodic mass extinctions on Earth have occurred as a result of collisions with large comets. The most famous example is the extinction of the dinosaurs. Number 1. Gamma-ray bursts. It is large-scale cosmic energy emissions' explosive nature. In just a few seconds, the flash is released as much energy as the sun would allocate 10 billion years of glow. There is an assumption that if the gamma-ray burst will occur in our galaxy, it will lead to mass extinction of all life on Earth. Even if we consider a moderate case of energy release at the distance of 10 light-years away from us, the force of the explosion will reach Earth in a few seconds and will be comparable to the explosion of the atomic bomb on each hectare. All living things on the exposed half will be destroyed immediately. On the other side, it will happen later due to secondary effects. Perhaps a gamma-ray burst caused the extinction of 60% of all living beings 443 million years ago. Put likes and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.